welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing Animal Crossing New Horizons, and I'm super excited because the island has changed a lot by its greenery, and there's no more snow, thank goodness, because I didn't really like the snow. It didn't really look nice. And we have now made a neighborhood and basically lots of stuff, so you'll notice it straight away. Oh, but there's Isabel. Hello there, everyone. Right now on Lahore's 6:41. It's the first day of March, so I'm so excited. Oh, there's no news. Oh, what does she have? Oh. Well, it's not like I can read it, but whatever. I guess it's kind of news for Isabel. But let's play. So first I'm going to give you an island tour, a quick one. This is just an updated one, and yeah, basically lots of stuff has changed. So I kind of took over the construction up. Oh, something from Nintendo. Oh yeah, the update. Okay, let's see what the present is. I'm wondering. I heard that there's going to be some Mario stuff as well, so I'm very excited about that. And ooh, that must be for Mario. Let me see what it looks like, because I hope it's going to be like it can move around and stuff, because I heard that wallpapers have now become really technical, so that's cool. And this is my house. I was so happy when I found this because I was looking for it everywhere. It looks so good, doesn't it? Comment down below what you think about my room. And today I have enough money to get my house updated. I think I'm going to get a new room, but let's just see what this looks like. Whoa, that is amazing. I'm just going to keep that there because that looks so cool. This is the old-fashioned, so I don't really know what that thing is, that thing that just came out there, but it looks cool. I wish there were bells up there so I could get it every day when I wake up. That'd be perfect. So let's go out of my house and I'll give you a quick island tour. So as you can see, I can't really build a path here until I can move my mailbox somewhere else, because you can do that. So we have some paths here. I like this path. So here's Hugh's house, and I love Hugh. He's so cute. So I gave him a kind of playgroundy kind of garden, and everyone has a tree in their garden. Well, except for me and some people, I think. And there's neighborhoods now, so I made them up because I thought it would look more realistic. So there's a heart neighborhood where I live, and there's a star neighborhood which is a bit bigger. So there's Tutu, and there's a new person called Rex. Let's talk to him. Oh, he's reading about flowers. I'm fine. What's the latest? Ha! It is nice. Today's nice. Guess that's all he has to say. It's not much. And that's Drift, and that there is one of those creepy gyro things that I really want to get rid of, but I paid off the staircase, and right up there it's the campsite, so I thought to put it on a different area, which would be nice. And there's some new butterflies, tiger butterflies. There's like billions new butterflies, so I'm thinking to get a pet. I heard that there's also ladybirds and stuff. And this is the cliff where all the shops are. So we have Nook's Cranny, which looks different. Oh yeah, all the winter stuff is gone. Now it's all summer. Let's see what's inside, because I'm wondering if there's going to be like seasonal stuff. So let's just see. I hope there is, because that would be cool. Oh wow, it looks like she's part of the staff. Okay, oh, an arcade. Oh, that's cool. But cloudy in the way. What's this? Interested in a judge's bell. What's that? Oh, it's not for much, so I'm just going to get it and see what it does. So, you're welcome. Let's talk to Claudia. She looks interested. A high-end stereo. Okay. Well, I'll let you pick on your own. So now I'm going to go see what that judge's bell does, because I'm really confused, but I'll do this outside the house. I mean the shop. Where is it? Yeah, that. Place item. What does it do? Ooh. Wow, that would be good for like a judge's area. That wasn't as loud as what I expected it. This is Able Sisters, and we have a little bench. And then this over here is my favorite place, the DJ place. So I'm thinking to put a mannequin of a DJ right there. And then we have a stereo and some lights. I wish I could change the color. And I made this floor in my DIY flooring. And then I have a juice area. You can get your food. And then this is the shop. And then there's some lights over there. And this is just a work in progress place. It's just, I guess I'll make this into a store place, but I just put that there for fun. And then when we go over here, so there's over here there's a neighborhood, and this is the waterfalls. So it looks really nice. I didn't know you could do it that well. And this big thing that you can see right here, it's the town hall. And I really like the town hall. It looks so good. Cat's in the way, so I can't show you that good. But there's a big waterfall underneath, you can kind of see. And then now it's time. That's basically the island right now. So I'm gonna add a little river over here with the waterfall. So I'm gonna go to my phone, the island designer, start construction. Okay, so let's do this. I need my ladder to get up here, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do it simple for now. So I need my trusty waterscaping permit. So first I'm going to make a waterfall here. I'm going to start it right here, and I'm going to make it go over there, just to that little corner there, because I don't make it too big. Oh, actually, I guess I'll do it here then. So I'll do it here, and then let me put a little, no, not there. Come on. There we go. Oh, big jump. Right here. There you go. And now I'll go down. Where is my ladder? Let's just pay off my loan right now, because I have enough money, so I'll just do it now. And then I'll get back to that, because I'm really excited for it. Come on, move! Okay, there. Okay, into the town hall. Now I'm gonna pay off my loan, so I have to go talk to Tom Nook, and then I think you do like this. I'm not 100% sure about my home, I guess. I want to expand. Oh, okay, I have to give it fast. Okay, now I get it. Okay, this is the next step. There. I want to use the ABD. So, loan payment, pay from pockets, and the full amount. There we go, and confirm. Yay! And now, yay, I'm doing a dance. So, and they're clapping for me, thanks. And now I'm gonna expand it. Okay, hi. Okay, whatever. Oh, yeah. Yep. Okay, can you expand it now? About my home. Come on. I wanna expand. Oh, a new room. Okay, that's cool. What I should make it? I think I'll make it... let me think. Maybe you can comment down below to see what I should make it. Yeah, let's do it now. Excellent. Yay, it's going to be there tomorrow morning. So I'm going to wrap up now and we'll finish the rivers in the next episode. So I hope you enjoyed and I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you are having fun and learning lots of things. Please remember to like and subscribe. I really enjoy making these videos for you to see. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.